Sanket.
Which college do you study in?
VIT.
VIT.
So do you all travel by railways frequently?
Yeah.
So where do you all stay?
I stay in Mulund.
Ghatkopar.
So between this route, I think I've heard it's a busy route. So what problem do you all usually face? ऐसे between घाटकोपर सुबह कॉलेज आने में या घर जाने में शाम को ऐसे प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है?
Usually it's very overcrowded in the morning because it's peak time. So we travel towards south, right? So it's very crowded. But you see the trains who are traveling towards north, it's quite empty.
So overcrowding is an issue.
Yeah, very.
Any other problem face like such as ऐसे late होती है train, there are delays. Recently there was a breakdown in the railway line there. So
The breakdowns are there. So usually trains are fine, but on frequent basis it gets late and
but the government's taken some steps obviously to improve our railway system. They have introduced the metro and the monorail. So have you tried that?
No, not yet.
no, not yet.
So but do you think it's going to improve the condition of the railways in Mumbai?
Obviously,
Yeah,
it will decrease the crowd now. It will, take away the crowd over there in metros and railway monorails.
Metro is fine. The route one metro is from Ghatkopar to Andheri. It's a busy route, but the monorail route is very off route. No one travels usually to Vadala to Chembur. So monorail is not that fine for public. The metro is well and good.
So do you usually travel like how frequently?
Every day.
So that's quite a long route. So is it quite painful for you to travel?
Yeah, it is. I have to come standing always. Now, going and coming.
तो overcrowding होता है हमेशा ट्रेन में.
हाँ, हमेशा ही. First class I travel then also, and ladies first class is so small, so it is always crowded. It's like second class only basically.
तो ladies का first class they are very small. You think?
Very small. They should extend first class.
And see, as a woman, do you feel unsafe traveling in our railways?
No, I don't feel unsafe.
Because we asked another person today and she said, we need there should be some cop or something because people get in and then you have to drive them out saying ladies compartment.
I don't think it is unsafe that way, but then I just feel कि second class people travel in first class. That's where that problem we are facing.
तो टिकट का रेगुलेशन होना चाहिए कोई.
Yes, ticket regulation, there should be checking of tickets all the time. It's only that much.
TCs and all aren't efficient enough.
Nobody comes. Never.
Never.
Never. I have not seen. From last 1 year I am here. Only when we get down at Matunga once in a while, I think there must be a TC. But otherwise, nobody comes and checks.
And train delays, ऐसे during monsoon especially, train will be.
There are actually any problems during monsoons, but few days now we were having because of some wiring and signals.
Near Mulund or somewhere, yeah.
Somewhere Shahad side and also.
But usually it's quite good.
No, yes, it is very nice.
You're quite satisfied with the.
Happy with it.
I don't think the government need to improve anything for now.
They need to increase the first class compartment of ladies. I will only tell that. And TC should come to check.
Thanks a lot. तो आपको ये डोंबिवली से आने में प्रॉब्लम होती है कभी?
बेसिकली ऐसा है कि सीनियर सिटीजन को तो सेपरेट डब्बा कुछ है ही नहीं, खाली वो हैंडीकैप का डब्बा है, समझा.
और उसमें भी दूसरे लोग चढ़ते रहेंगे.
वो चढ़ते हैं उसमें भी, और तो रेस्ट तो रहेगा ही हमेशा हमेशा के लिए. वो एक प्रॉब्लम है. तो वो दैट इज़ द मेन थिंग, दैट इज़ द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. एक तो रेस्ट, एक तो अपना सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए सेपरेट कंपार्टमेंट तो है ही नहीं, और सीनियर सिटीजन का होएगा तो भी उधर नहीं मिलता है सीट्स. वो तो मेन चीज़ है. आपका जैसा लोग बच्चे छोटा छोटा स्टूडेंट्स लोग आके बैठते हैं, कुछ बोल नहीं सकता है, वो हालत है.
क्योंकि हमारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को क्या करना चाहिए, बीएमसी को क्या करना चाहिए ऐसे हम लोग की तकलीफ दूर करने?
नहीं, कभी कभी वो लोग ये भी सोचना चाहिए कि इधर भी कुछ ऐसा भी लोग है जो लोग कानून पालता है. सम डिसिप्लिन पर्सन्स इधर भी है, चढ़ने वाला भी डिसिप्लिन आदमी लोग है. ऐसा वो लोग को मालूम होने के अकॉर्डिंगली में जो भी प्रॉब्लम बताया उसको तो सोल्यूशन होएगा ये ऑटोमेटिक अपोजिट साइड में. ठीक है, तो वो सोल्यूशन निकाल के वो लोग करना चाहिए.